Sticky notes may be a simple office supply, but they can also harbor a surprising secret. Sticky notes are a ubiquitous office supply, but their adhesive can also leave a lasting impression. The sticky residue can be difficult to remove, leading to frustration and wasted time. However, there's a surprising benefit to this sticky situation. By using a hair dryer and some gentle scraping, you can remove the residue and reuse the note. This DIY hack is a game changer for office workers and students alike. Imagine being able to reuse your sticky notes multiple times without having to replace them. It's like having a never-ending supply of sticky notes at your fingertips. But that's not the strangest part. The adhesive can also be used for other creative projects. For example, you can use it to attach small notes to your child's backpack or lunchbox. Or you can use it to create a temporary fix for a broken zipper or torn page. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box, or in this case, the sticky note. This DIY hack is a testament to the power of creativity and resourcefulness. By thinking on your feet and using everyday objects in new and innovative ways, you can create solutions to common problems and make your life easier and more efficient. So next time you're faced with a sticky situation, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Grab a hair dryer and some gentle scraping and get creative with your sticky notes. You never know what amazing things you might discover. And the best part, this DIY hack is completely free and easy to do. No special equipment or skills are required, just a little bit of creativity and elbow grease. So what are you waiting for? Get stuck into this DIY hack and start reusing your sticky notes today. Imagine the possibilities: a world where sticky notes are not just disposable, but reusable and sustainable. It's a world where creativity and resourcefulness are valued and encouraged. A world where we think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to common problems. And that's exactly what this DIY hack is all about. So don't be afraid to get creative and try something new. You never know what amazing things you might discover. And who knows, you might just change the world one sticky note at a time. But that's not all. This DIY hack is also great for the environment. By reusing your sticky notes, you're reducing waste and minimizing your carbon footprint. It's a small step, but it's a step in the right direction. And every small step counts when it comes to making a positive impact on the environment. So next time you're faced with a sticky situation, remember to think outside the box. Grab a hair dryer and some gentle scraping and get creative with your sticky notes. You never know what amazing things you might discover. And the best part, this DIY hack is completely free and easy to do. No special equipment or skills are required, just a little bit of creativity and elbow grease. So what are you waiting for? Get stuck into this DIY hack and start reusing your sticky notes today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY hacks and creative ideas. We have a whole series of videos dedicated to reusing and repurposing everyday objects. And if you liked this video, be sure to like and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas on how to reuse and repurpose sticky notes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They might just find it helpful too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this DIY hack helpful, subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and tutorials.